Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have a small trick for you if you're using honey or fructose in cooking or in tea or coffee. It is so that fructose comes in two kind of forms. It comes in more forms actually. And those forms can shift, something often referred to by chemists as epimerization. It's kind of as isomerization, but epimerization is slightly different than isomerization. Anyway, have you ever experienced that you make your tea, you boil it, you put in some honey, it's too hot but you still try it out, and yeah, it seems sweet enough. You sit down, you turn on the TV or talk with your friends, and then when the tea is ready to drink, you start to drink it and I think I need a little bit more honey after all. Wasn't as sweet as I thought. What has happened actually is that the sweetness had decreased, because there are two forms of fructose and one is twice as sweet as the other. And when you heat fructose, in particular above 55 degrees Celsius, it starts to change form to the less sweet one. So therefore, to avoid that, if you use honey in beverages like tea, or if you have some honey in your cooking to make it spicy or taste the right way, don't add that while you're cooking. Don't add that in the hot tea. Wait until the food or the tea have reached a temperature where you can drink it, which is usually below 55 degrees, because at 50 degrees you're still burning yourself. If you put your hand in water at 45 you burn, and above that you don't want to spend too much time. So for cooking or your tea, just put the honey in later, as late as possible. So you don't get this transformation to the less sweet form, because then you need to use more. And if you don't want to overeat sugar, or in particular fructose, you can get the same sweetness with half the amount if you do it this way. Yeah, so that was the cooking tips from the Chemist today. Thanks for joining today, and like, subscribe and all those things if you like this. And see you soon again.